5 side hustles that could easily make you $100,000 in the next year. But even if it doesn't, they could just give you a spare $2,000, $3,000 a month in your pocket. The best part is it costs nothing to get started with any of these 5 side hustles. And with many of them, you'll have the opportunity to make upwards of $10,000, $20,000. Hell, even over $50,000 a year. Okay, my first suggestion for a side business is to learn to edit TikTok, YouTube videos, or any other type of high-impact content. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be surprised to learn how many well-known YouTube content producers either edit their videos or simply use shoddy editing. If you're making $10,000 a month as a YouTube content creator, for instance, you can easily afford to pay an editor to edit 4 videos per month for you for $800, $1,000, $1,000, or even $1,500. If it saves them time, there is a clear return on investment. As such, you can choose to work as a video editor for current YouTube creators. Ladies and gentlemen, there are a ton of fantastic Skillshare courses and fantastic YouTube videos available where you can learn very basic editing. Once you learn basic editing, it's incredibly simple to edit TikTok videos. You can become very proficient and good at just editing TikTok videos in just 1 week. Another fantastic format that is currently helping a lot of people grow is YouTube Shorts. Ladies and gentlemen, the following side business is even simpler and requires even less beginner knowledge than the previous one. It is becoming a Discord moderator. There is a huge demand for Discord moderators out there. Whether it be people wanting to build communities on Discord or NFT projects that are launching, whatever it may be, there are people out there who really need Discord moderators. For the next side hustle, some of you listening to this will either do it for the next year and make very easily $100,000, or you will just be way too shy to even get started now online. There are a bunch of people who have audiences and sell stuff. The next side hustle I'm going to recommend will either be an absolute hit or miss. Some people have amazing programs, coaching masterminds, or whatever else they may have, and you know they need all of their time to make their product, coaching, or mastermind as good as it can be, so they basically can't be on doing sales or on calls with potential prospects. So this is where you can come in as a remote sales closer. You can work anywhere in the world. Now the next side hustle is by far my absolute favorite, and that is starting an online boutique marketing agency. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to hire a contractor that you pay per month per client, which means that they receive this amount every month for each client that they look after on your behalf. You're going to find someone in Romania, South Africa, Brazil, or Colombia, to name a few places, and you're going to pay them $500 per month per client, which is a ton of money for them, especially if you know that they're measuring their performance. If you are doing something in that area, you are paying the contractor $500 per month per client, assuming they are managing 3 clients with you. You are doing this cool arbitrage thing where you are using the global market to go to places where their $500 per month is the same as someone in the US getting paid $2,500 per month for that exact service, because you are using the global market. Ladies and gentlemen, this has the highest ability to climb as well. The first step is to establish an online boutique agency. The most scalable approach is the one that gets you to $10,000 per month the quickest. From there, you can easily make $50,000, $75,000, or $100,000 per month. Building a YouTube channel is the next side business we're going to discuss. This one kind of has the longest tail tip, which means it will take a while before you see any returns, but once you do, they'll pour in swiftly. The most crucial thing when creating a YouTube channel is to think about how you'll eventually monetize it. Now, you might be able to sell coaching courses or masterminds through your YouTube channel in the future. This depends on the type of business you run. Whatever it is, it might be a way for you to generate revenue through a subscription service, or it might even be software that you developed. Building a YouTube channel is one of the biggest blessings anyone could ever receive, so start today. You won't see results for the next 3 months or 6 months, but when you do, you'll be glad you did. Whatever it is, just start to think before you start your YouTube channel of how am I going to monetize this, not short term, but mid to long term. There are many more side businesses than the 5 I've listed in this video. Just use your imagination, there are countless opportunities available if you look for them.